Today we're going to be talking about positions of prestige. Leadership is important in this business, leading your team and setting a great example. And we want to prop up the consultants in our business that are going above and beyond in leadership, not only leading by example, but leading excellent teams, right? So that's what positions of prestige are for. Our first level of leadership is the President's Club. Mitch, why don't you talk about the requirements for President's Club?
That's right. We want to get you in the door and get you in a leadership position and have you growing your business and helping the company grow as well. So when you do $65,000 and have 24 people join the business in a year, then you unlock the opportunity to be on the President's Club. Now, like Chris said, this is an opportunity to help steer the ship of the company. We want to make sure that we're getting the opinions, and the ideas and insights from people that are really hitting the ground and really working hard and growing their business and the corporation, the company as a whole.
And they come with really awesome trips too, Mitch, right? So we'll talk about those trips in a video later. But the next level of leadership in the business is the board of directors. Talk about board of directors requirements, Mitch.
Absolutely. So just like President's Club, the board of directors does have a requirement for you in your own personal performance. When you do $75,000 in retail sales and recruit 24 people into the business, then you unlock board of directors with $400,000 in group retail sales. Now, at group retail sales, we want to make sure that you're growing your own team first before you can help us, grow the business and really be expanding it at that level as well.
And the last level of leadership that has requirements in the business is the senior board of directors. How about those requirements?
Absolutely. So for senior board of directors, there's actually 3 ways to earn this. So we know that everybody is kind of at a different place in their business, and everybody has the opportunity to share their experience in helping build the company. So the first level is really dependent more so on your own personal work. So $75,000 in personal retail sales, 32 recruits, and then a total group sales of $1.25 million will get you into senior board. Now, up from there, we know that as your team starts growing more and more, a lot more of the work is going to be coming from your team than necessarily your personal. So for the second level up, the second way to earn it, $70,000, still the 32 recruits, and $2.25 million in group retail sales will get you to senior board. Finally, the third way that you can earn it is $65,000 personal retail, 32 activations still, and $3.25 million in group retail sales to lock in your position on that senior board.
And lastly, the pinnacle of leadership in this company as a consultant is really our executive board of directors. Those are hand-chosen by the leaders of the company, Chris and Patty, to serve as the highest level of leadership in the company. We hope, ladies, that your Pure Romance business grows and that you grow with it into the different levels of leadership in the company. We look forward to seeing you on these trips. Go out and get it.